Balen. Welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, kayo ba'y naghahanap ng Unli Wings dito sa may San Isidro, Magalang Pampanga? So as low as 359 pesos. Matitikman muna.
Mark, sabi mo 359 pesos.
Yes.
Unlimited wings na.
Yes.
Grabe, excited na ako guys. If you wanna know more about it, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go! Dito sa may PSG Buffalo Wings, meron tayo 14 flavors. So syempre, yung pang 14, yung kanilang classic, which is isa sa mga best seller nila yon. So on our table, ito lahat yun. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga suggested and mga best seller na mga flavors nila. And syempre, titikman na rin natin.
Yung dining area natin guys, meron siyang dalawang section. So meron tayong air condition which is enclosed dito sa likuran natin, and then dito naman sa labas yung kanilang alfresco. So pinili natin dito kasi mas gusto natin yung ambience ng street food. So as in directly from eto yung daan natin. Alright, so that's our table. I think ready na tayo. Let's go! Dito ba sa PSG Buffalo Wings bro, meron silang mga set meals.
Yes.
So meal number 1, 2, and 3. Depende guys kung gano'n kalaki yung appetite mo for those meals. And then
meron din mga add-ons. So kung gusto rin ng fries, nachos, mga dips, meron din sila. And syempre, hindi mawawala dyan yung plain rice.
and then right after that guys, kung talagang sobrang gutom nyo, meron naman silang unlimited.
Unlimited,
So they have 2 unlimited, di ba?
Yes, so meron tayong 2 unlimited, which is yung kanilang unlimited wings, plus 1 serving ng kanilang java rice and french fries for only 359 pesos.
159 pesos.
Yes.
Okay.
And kung gusto naman na unli lahat,
Unli lahat.
even yung drinks yung unlimited, and that's only 389 pesos.
So additional 30 pesos, I think. Hindi na masyadong malaki yun. If you wanna go, you know, unlimited for everything. Let's go, let's go. Okay, I'll go for this one. Meal number 1. Meal number 1. Okay, so meal number 1.
Yes, for the meal number 1, ang pinagkaibahan lang niya is meron kang 3 pieces chicken.
Yes.
At the same time, meron ka na rin fries, rice, and drinks.
So lahat ng yun for only 139 pesos. I believe this is mga chicken nila guys, ang lalaki.
Yes, actually, napakalaki nga nila.
Oo, ang lalaki.
Kung nabitin ka naman dun sa 3 pieces na chicken, meron silang upgrade na itong meal 2, which is 6 pieces naman.
6 pieces.
Yes.
Add ka lang ng 20
pesos. Yes. Kung nabitin ka pa doon, meron silang 9 pieces, additional 30 pesos naman.
So 9 pieces chicken wings, grabe na, 189 pesos. Sulit na sulit.
Yeah.
Sulit na sulit.
Lahat ng mga chickens natin are freshly cooked.
Freshly cooked.
Yes, kaya medyo mahaba yung waiting time, pero sureness naman na bagong luto and fresh yung mga manok.
Ibig sabihin nun guys, as soon as you order, doon pa lang nila lulutuin.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Mark, they make sure na fresh talaga yung mga kakainin natin.
Ganito daw yung proper na pagkain ng ng chicken wings, all in one bite.
So, eto naman yung kanilang classic. Nice. And then meron tayong mayo dip. So, sabi sa atin, according to our orientation, ito yung talagang isa sa mga binabalik-balikan talaga.
Tama.
And then here's the dip. Oh. Let's try it. Let's try it. Wow. Napakalasa ng dip bro. So para siyang garlic dip, tartar dip, para siyang ganun, white sauce.
Speaking of flavor, syempre, kung pagpipilian nyo yung mga flavors nyo, meron tayong garlic parmesan, Japanese teriyaki, cheesy habanero, soy garlic, Korean barbecue, honey glaze, spicy garlic butter, spicy Caribbean, oriental sriracha, salted egg, buffalo, sweet and spicy, and syempre, yung classic.
Grabe, ang dami nun.
Yes.
Grabe, Mark, ano ba yung pinaka-favorite mo dun sa mga
Ako,
flavors natin?
isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito yung kanilang sriracha. Kasi
Wow.
meron siyang kick of spiciness.
Yes.
At the same time, malasang malasa.
Ako naman guys, yung spicy garlic butter, sobrang tumatak sa akin yan. So if you're going here, check niyo po yung mga flavors na namin.
Yes, so kung gusto nyo naman pumunta dito sa may PSG Buffalo Wings, they are located dito sa may San Isidro, Magalang, Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark lang naman nila, tapat siya no, San Isidro, Barangay. And they are open from 4 p.m. until 12 midnight, Monday to Sunday.
Ayun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye guys.